So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make all YouTube videos private at once. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up your any kind of browser and simply go with the studio.youtube.com. This link, you need to go with that and hit enter. This will open up your YouTube channel dashboard, and then from here you need to go with the content option. Select the content, and then from here, as you can see, I have two videos, so I need to select all of these videos by clicking on this option, select all, here beside the video. Then as you can see, all videos has been selected. Now if I want to make it private, I need to go with the edit option. Then I will go with the visibilities, and then from here, as you can see, the visibility is selected as private, so I will select once again as private, and then simply go with the update videos. This will brings up all of your videos to the private. All right, so make sure to update the videos and you are done. So that's how you can simply make all YouTube videos private at once by using your computer. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.